What's good? What's good? Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. Oh, I thought I had a bit of a stain, but it's just shadow. Oh, it might be because I just got out of the shower. Anyways, guys, we're going to go over Gala Games. Currently, we're sitting at 36 cents. We're up almost 8% on the day. We're going to go over some juicy news. We're sitting at a market cap of 2.53 billion, 24-hour volume 1.62 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to go into this article real quick. One of my subscribers sent me this on IG. So shout out to you. I'm sure you're watching this. So Gala Games to plow $5 billion into NFT expansion efforts. Gala Games is seeking to ramp up its presence in the NFT sector and will allocate billions of dollars to further its efforts in the coming years. So Gala Games confirmed Monday it will allocate $5 billion to further its NFT ambitions in the coming year, split between gaming, music, movies, and theme park NFTs. Pretty cool, guys. So out of the $5 billion allocated to Gala Games NFT expansion, $2 billion is expected to go to gaming. A further $1 billion will be allocated to for the studio's music ambitions, as well as $1 billion for movies. Gala theme park NFTs will pick up the remaining $1 billion. Probably lost some subscribers reading this article. Gala Games recently launched a 100 million blockchain gaming fund with crypto investment firm C2 Ventures, focusing on investment in game developers and project building atop the blockchain. So super exciting, guys, to see Gala Games expanding, throwing billions of dollars into NFTs. I do think Gala Games is going to be one of the juggernauts in the metaverse space. So definitely check them out if you're new to Gala. So let's hop into the analysis, guys. We are looking strong. However, guys, we have a bearish divergence. We're creating higher highs, lower highs on the RSI as well as the money flow, which can lead to a drop, guys. So if we do come down, honestly, I would like to see this come down to 30 cents because I have a buy zone there, so I get more money into my trade. We are in a technical target from this bull flag, guys, but we are losing relative strength, and we're seeing the volume start to tamper off a little bit. Now, sometimes what happens is it will be a bit of a fake out. Well, not a fake out, but there'll be a bearish divergence, and then the volume will just step in, and what will happen is the RSI will just come back up once again. However, it is an early indicator of a drop, and that's why I always recommend to dollar cost average into your trades. First entry was here at 34 cents, and then I have my second entry at 30 cents. So if we come down, I hit that buy zone, and my average price will come down to about 0.32, and I get ready to ride the slingshot back up. However, guys, if the money flow comes down here, what you can see is money will start flowing back into Gala, and that could push the price back up. But I am watching this as well as the 1 hour time frame, guys. Bearish divergence, higher highs, lower highs. And that is usually an early indicator of some pullback. So just keep that in mind, guys. We'll quickly pop over to the daily. Very strong signal. We're back above the EMAs on the daily time frame. We're back above the 20. We're back above the 55. So if we do come down to 30 cents here, guys, what's going to happen? We find support on the 55, the 20 EMA. We see the bullish cross. Massive, massive signal of a pump. Many coins, Crow, Gala, Mana, Sand, they're above the EMAs on the daily. And if you watch CoinsKid, I know a lot of you watch CoinsKid, what does he say when you have the bullish cross? You buy and you go to the beach because it's an early indicator of a massive pump. It's not a 100% certainty, but I would say it's about 80%, guys. We also have this beautiful bull pennant pattern. And what you would do is you measure your flagpole from your point of breakout. And this pattern here on the daily could take Gala all the way back up to about 67 cents, guys, which would be a juicy trade. If you want to trade that breakout, you're looking at a 93% gain. Absolutely legendary, guys. You can see the RSI is back at the top section as well as the money flow. So I definitely think we're either going to see that consolidation or a little bit of pullback to 30 cents. But this is Metaverse and this is Gala Games, guys, and they tend to just pump like crazy. You can just look at the past, guys. Look at this here. Pump. consolidation, just a few days, huge pump, consolidation, huge pump, guys. And look what happened right here, back above the EMAs, bullish cross, absolutely juicy, 900% gain right there. So I have been adding to my position for Gala, to be honest. On my Bybit position, I entered here. I bought a whole bunch down here, and I bought more right here, just due to the fact that we're back above the EMAs. Anything can happen, guys. You know, we can consolidate, Bitcoin shits the bed, we come all the way back down, but I don't think that's the likely scenario, and it's not more probable in my opinion. But as I always say, that's why I dollar cost average. But it's looking really healthy, it's looking really strong, and it's looking good for continuation. Just if it's going to pull back to 30 cents, that's perfectly okay, guys. We hit our next buy zone, we get more money into our trade, and we get ready for the slingshot back up. Your next strong level support is 22 cents, but I really don't see it, guys, unless Bitcoin is going to just completely shit the bed, but I just don't see that happening. You can see here, we have that inverse head and shoulders, but right now Bitcoin is just consolidating, creating a beautiful bull pennant here as well for BTC. So if it does break out here and we don't even see that right shoulder, you could see a beautiful breakout all the way up to about 48,000 for Bitcoin. And if we do create that right shoulder, which would be perfectly healthy, everybody's going to freak out. Oh, we're going into a bear market, because we just come down and create a right shoulder, which is a possibility, guys. Your target is 57,000. All right, guys. But as of right now, we're looking strong, guys. We're holding support. We are a little bit overextended, but we're allowing the RSI to come back down to a healthy section. We're allowing the money flow to come back down as we just consolidate, guys. So if you see the money flow come all the way back down, it could be an early signal that we're just going to continue to pump back to the upside. The Bitcoin long positions are looking good, guys. We saw a nice increase in long, little bit of profit taking. We're seeing the longs pick up again, while the short positions, not much movement, which is bullish in my opinion, guys. We're not seeing shorts increasing. So I think we're looking really good in my opinion. That's it for Gala Games, guys. We're above the EMAs. We're looking healthy. Do watch for that bull pennant. Let me just draw it back in here, guys. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you are working towards all your goals and aspirations. In a couple weeks, I'm leaving the frozen tundra of Canada, and I'm going back to Africa. I'm going to Ghana, so I'm really, really excited. I love the heat and other things. All right. All right, guys, so that's about it. Just watch that bearish divergence, and I have those future price targets for Gala Games based off the Fibonacci. What you can do is you take it, sorry guys, you take it from your, come on Jax, you take it from your previous swing high down to your swing low, and if we can get back above the golden ratio, major level of resistance at 42 cents, come up to the 1.272, $1.33, and you target the 1.618, $2.40 for our friend Gala Games. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, as well as the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel, and daily buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into your altcoins. Based off Fibonacci support and resistance, guys. Price of a coffee $3.50 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.